Vermont, which is like my favorite place for like winter and fall vibes. It's okay, Luz. Say hi to all my friends. So we actually had a family event here, which is why that we're here, but we've been here before, so I wanted to just like film a little bit and show what it's like here. If anyone's interested in getting that like really cozy vibe, this is the perfect place to do it. So right now we are at the Wilburton Inn in Manchester, Vermont. It is absolutely beautiful here, and the rooms are like shockingly huge. So I'm gonna do a little room tour and show you guys around a little bit. We're not here for too long, just for the weekend, so you get a little taste of it to see if it's a place that you want to visit. So if you're interested in seeing more about Manchester, Vermont, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the front door. You use like a keypad with a code to come in, and then this is the living room. Obviously it's messy because we're packing up because we're actually leaving, right? Really, really nice and big. And then when you come in through here, it's the bathroom. And you can access the bathroom from the bedroom or the living room. Really nice size. Tub. It's the door to the bedroom. And then there's the vanity with this really nice view outside. They have like all these sculptures. And then if you come through here, you see the bedroom. It's really so nice. Huge. This is dog friendly, so that's why you might see like the wee pads. And then there's this door to a whole balcony. Lucy, we're gonna go. Just like look at these views.